With more than 500 million active daily users, Instagram is one of the best platforms for marketing. Not only is it considered the most engaging social media platform with a 10 times higher engagement rate than Facebook and 84 times higher engagement rate than Twitter, but Instagram is also the platform with the highest reach and the highest purchase intent, making it ideal if you're selling a product or service. Besides, 9 out of 10 people follow at least one business account. So whether you're doing marketing for your own or someone else's business, Instagram is the ideal platform to be selling a product or service. In this course, we'll first get started in the account growth section, where you will learn how to turn your private profile into a business profile to get access to important features like analytics and a music library with commercially licensed music. You will also learn how to create a professional profile. Next up, you'll learn how to create valuable content aimed specifically towards your audience and how to get that audience to essentially do marketing for you with user-generated content. You'll also get in-depth knowledge on how to optimize your hashtags, tags, geotags, and mentions for maximum reach and engagement. And then you'll learn how to use the most powerful marketing tool on Instagram, Reels. You'll learn how they work, how to optimize them, how to get picked up by the algorithm, and then 10 strategies that you can start implementing right away. This section alone is enough to take your Instagram marketing to the next level. And then you'll learn in-depth information about posts, stories, and live, so that you'll know how to use different types of content for different scenarios. You'll also get access to templates and over 30 additional strategies. And finally, you'll learn how to boost your best performing post to extend its reach through paid advertising, and how to use insights to figure out which content that's performing the best. When you know which content that's giving you the most reach and the highest engagement, you automatically know which type of content to be creating more of. So we've got a fantastic journey ahead of us, and in the next lecture, we'll start off by turning our private account into a business account. See you in the next lecture.